family pleaser in layout, function and location, this dual-level home is set on a prime, sizeable block. Welcome to 3 Burns Road in Kellyville. In an ideal location and only being 6 years old, this 2-level residence boasts an open-plan living and dining area with a stunning stone kitchen and gas cooking appliances. With the option of a downstairs bedroom or a media room, upstairs you'll find a study area. The oversized master bedroom comes complete with its own balcony, walk-in robe and ensuite. With plantation shutters throughout, ducted air conditioning and 3 kilowatts of solar panels. Opening out to the covered entertaining area and a private backyard.
We hope you've enjoyed this property video. Marie and I look forward to welcoming you at one of the open homes.